guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a little kind of girly but still super Halloween-y type look. So I grabbed a couple different cat eye gels, and then I also have this chrome that I'm going to put all over the nail, but I kind of want to add some extra. I just don't know which one I want to do. I'm leaning towards this one because it'll be nice and clear as well. So I'm gonna just play with it. Not really doing like super on purpose. I'll put it this way. I am aware of my placement, but I'm not overly doing it perfect. I'm going to take McCart's foil glue, and that is what I'm going to use on top of this. You can take a no wipe top coat, either one are fine. Again, I label mine just have fun. Nice thin coat. I'm gonna cure it for 15 seconds and then I'm gonna apply the powder. I'm taking this one, it's like a purpley pink color. I guess you can't really see the other guy. Finish curing. Well, that's disappointing that you can't see the other one. Again, nice thin layer. Yeah, super disappointing that you can't see that cat eye. So don't waste your time on that one. Okay, gonna finish that cure. Go ahead and come in with a matte top coat. So when we stamp on top, you're not going to want to move the powder around, especially if you have to wipe it off. So I like to come in with a matte top coat. All right, so I have M312 and M313. I'm kind of going for like a witchy boho vibe. That's what I'm going with. I'm gonna start off with the Sphinx. Super easy, but I feel like it has such a pretty impact, especially with that matte top coat. I don't know if you can like pick up the shine, but it's super pretty in real life. So I will go ahead and link any discount codes and the different gel products I use below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.